Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Riho Fujimori. Code PPPE151. Released on September 19, 2023. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about female employee and her supervisor. The guy was married. One day, they went to a business trip. So after a successful business deal, they went to a restaurant. They had a dinner. Afterwards, they had a couple of drinks. They got drunk, so they went home. Apparently, the guy was unable to ride the last train going home. So they went to the girl apartment. However, while the guy was at the girl apartment, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.